Steve, I'm getting frustrated with this, man. I just figure I'd take a video and show you what I've got. Same, I think everything is the same as yours. So, on this side right here, which is COM, I've got the red wire, step, white, green direction, black enable. And that's for these two, X and the Y. The Z, I screwed up here. Had one wired wrong, and I got my Z-axis working. Let's see if you can see that. I actually had to desolder this thing because it was wrong. So I just shoved them in there for the time being. But it's red, white, black, green. Because I didn't want to mess with that. It was easier to take it out of the breakout board. But when I put it back together, I'm going to solder it red, white, green, black, which is the same as yours, and then I'll change it over here on the board. So for now, I've got the same setup that you do, and then over here on the let's see if I can see here. I think it's not focusing very well. So I've got what is it? Pull 5 volts plus. I've got the red wire, and then I have a jumper going over. My second wire is white under pull minus. Direction 5 volts. The jumper comes off here, goes into the direction, and then direction minus is green, and then plus 5 is red coming from the jumper, and then black is enable, which is kind of confusing because it's different on this one right here. And then going out to the motors, I've got the red, green, white, black, which here's the back side, same thing. Then as it goes into the cables, shielded cable, and then come over, and I stripped all this too. I didn't know if I was screwed up in here, so I took it all apart. So the red's going to the red, the white to the yellow, green to green, black to blue. This works good. So let me jog it. That's my Z. I think I got a little winding right there. Maybe, I don't know. So that works good. Now, let's do the X. Nothing. There, see that pop? I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, it's making a little bit of noise there every time I click it. That's minus. Minus. It'll make a clicking noise. It comes back once and then doesn't do anything. And once in a while it'll pop. That's the X. Here's the X, and then the Y. Not a pop, not nothing. This is dead. The X again. Nothing. And I don't know why, because I think I told you before, I haven't worked on this thing for like 2 years. I had the electronics I thought was working. Now I don't know if I should do this or not while it's running, but I'm going to take out the black wire because I didn't have it hooked up for some reason, and I thought I had it working before. So I'm going to pop that one. Pop that one, you heard the motor pop. It was like building up torque in there. Now, let's go with the Y. It goes towards me. And I just pushed the same button, and it went towards me and away from me on the same button. Now it's going away, away, away. I can't do that too much. I'm going to go right off the end. And then the X. Plus comes towards me. Minus. It popped and nothing. Plus comes towards me. And then minus. One click and nothing. So any suggestions, Steve? I'm getting kind of frustrated. I know I had this working a couple years ago before I moved on to some other things. But again, I pulled that black wire off. I'm getting some movement. So I don't know what the deal is.